Knowing your audience is so key when you're building your business to sell it. Looking at the financial statements as being so important in preparing for the sale, because the buyer wants to buy a business that is profitable, that is just turnkey, that they can come in and make money on day one. It's like selling your house and having it just glistening and beautiful and clean and just sparkling. And I've heard the best advice about flipping houses and having a house and replacing dingy, low light bulbs with 99-cent 100-watt light bulbs and brightening, making it better, putting a little paint, cleaning the carpets, making it better. Same thing with the business. We can redo the financial statements and prepare it for the buyer. Know your audience. And so if we can communicate this business is profitable, and yes, we're deducting personal expenses above board, legal, ethical, moral, because we're using the tax code in our favor and we're showing the buyer how they can do the same thing. That's going to be an extra value. It's a little sweetener. It's a little extra value. It's like going to the hotel and having that little piece of chocolate on that pillowcase. It just makes it better. And the buyer comes in and says, wow, I want to buy this business, because all the buyers, they want to buy low and the seller wants to sell high. And there's a conflict between buy and seller, buying and selling. And so we want to sell as high as we can. The buyer wants to buy as low as they can. Let's figure out how to make this so attractive and say, nobody's doing this. Nobody has this organized and this well done. I remember when I go to audit, auditors say, wow, nobody is this prepared for an audit. Well, no crap, because I'm an ex-IRS auditor. I understand this stuff. I understand the sales process. I understand how to get businesses ready for sale. And so that's why you need to come talk to me. Let's plan this 4 or 5 years, maybe even 10 years ahead of time. And then once we go sell, let's defer the tax and not pay this huge tsunami of taxes when you sell. So let's have offense and defense. And as an accountant, as a tax professional, that's what I love. That's what I get passionate about, is helping people to grow their businesses, grow wealth, but also then to harvest as much as they can and not overpay their taxes, because taxes are the biggest expense that we have now in retirement upon death. Let's legally, ethically, morally reduce those taxes to the bare minimum. Give me a call. Let's chat.